Max lives in a block world. Everything in his world is made of blocks. The trees are blocks. The mountains are blocks. Even the clouds are blocks. Max is a young explorer. He has a wooden sword and a leather bag. Every day, he explores something new. One morning, Max finds a cave. The cave is dark and deep. Strange sounds come from inside. What is in there? Max says to himself. He takes a torch from his bag. He lights it. He walks inside. The cave is cold. The walls are made of gray stone blocks. Max can see small diamonds in the walls. They shine in the torchlight. Beautiful, he says. He walks deeper and deeper. The sounds get louder. Then Max stops. In front of him is a large green creature. It has no arms. It has 2 black eyes. It is looking at Max. Max knows this creature. It is a blaster. Blasters explode when they get close. Max's heart beats very fast. The blaster moves toward Max. 1 block, 2 blocks. Max does not run. He thinks. He remembers something. His teacher once said, "A blaster follows sound. It cannot think. It only listens." Max slowly puts his hand into his bag. He finds a small stone. He holds it tightly. The blaster takes another step. It is very close now. Max throws the stone hard. It flies over the blaster's head. It hits the cave wall on the other side. Clack! The blaster stops. It turns around. It moves toward the sound, away from Max. Max does not wait. He moves quickly and quietly along the cave wall. He stays in the shadows. He does not make a sound. He reaches the diamonds. He takes out his pickaxe. He mines slowly. 1 diamond, 2 diamonds, 3 diamonds. Each strike is soft and careful. The blaster is still looking at the far wall, confused, searching. Max puts the diamonds in his bag. He tiptoes toward the cave exit. 1 block, 2 blocks, 10 blocks. He sees light, the exit. He runs. Outside the cave, the sun is shining. Max stops and breathes. His legs are shaking, but he is smiling. He opens his bag. 3 diamonds shine in the sunlight. Max looks back at the dark cave. "Thank you, teacher," he says quietly. Today was a very good day.